hard drum mower, I may have shown it before, I may push in the clips if I haven't. When I got this, I took it out to spin behind the barbecue. The outer crosser went. Well, it was fucked, but the mounting bracket thing that goes on the bearing cap to the splitter went and it stuck. And then, as I folded it up, I didn't raise it up high enough. So the rope casting right here, whilst I was putting together. Now what I've done is I've raised it with a dissimilar welding rod, and that's working so high, so fast, although the bead is cracking, so it's not going to last. Yet worse than that again is that the drum on the inlet side has gone a bit stuck, and so it's vibrating. I shouldn't run it, but I want to see how much I can do with it before bringing the finger mower out. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. It's been working pretty good considering the abuse I put in it through, so yeah, we'll see about that. This is my new tractor apparently. I haven't paid for it yet, but I've been given a very reasonable offer. I've been given a very reasonable offer for exchange. Very reasonable as in it's pretty good deal. So, well, it makes sense. So, I'm looking forward to having a new tractor now. It's a 995. It's slow. The sheet metal on it actually isn't too bad. It's got a carb, you see. So it's still, still a pretty good deal. No worth complaining about such things. Not going slow enough, huh? The clutch is still sticking. Just try it like that then. I think that may be 540. I'm just going to turn it off and check. Like rounds have had two PTO gears since the A80 first came out, or whichever one it was. Like that. That's what you call it then, and the battery's getting a bit flat as well. got that. I don't know how, but by some bloody miracle, I stuck it. It's only like, I don't know, 5, maybe 8 acres. I've lost the front car. Well, I haven't lost it, I know where it is, but it came off. Or most of the way, and then I pulled it off. And it's migrating a little bit worse than it was. I had to put new blades on the outside, but I only had PZ blades, so because it didn't make quite as much noise, and it's the trouble I had then, was that in the cut faster the other side, and it had 3 built blades on it, and then the belt just started slipping, and been bogging down more. But it's cracked. So maybe if I can get the pedal to work by tomorrow, we may just manage it. The wet spot in these fields that I wasn't anticipating. I should have remembered they were that wet spots, but there wasn't any avoiding them. No, a couple of days now, and hopefully we'll have a hay crop. Or we'll have wet grass. Either way, hopefully it isn't too bad. The crop here isn't nearly as good as I thought it would be, but I'm not going to complain about that.